Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English learning video. In this video, we'll learn English in a fun and easy way through 11 everyday school scenarios. Each conversation is designed to help you understand and practice speaking in different contexts. Here are the situations we'll explore together. In the classroom, in the hallway, during recess, in the cafeteria, in the library, after school, talking about homework, talking about a new student, at the school bus stop, in the gym, in the science lab. Let's start this exciting journey of learning English. Get ready, and let's practice together.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. What subject do we have today?
We have math first. Are you ready?
I'm a little nervous. Math is hard for me.
Don't worry. We can study together after school.
That sounds good. Thanks for helping me.
No problem. We're a team.
Let's go to the classroom. The bell is about to ring.
Okay, let's go. Hey, Tom. Are you going to the library now?
Yes, I need to return a book. Do you want to come with me?
Sure. I need to get some books for my project.
Great. I hope we can find everything we need.
Yeah, I hope so. I need a book on history.
I think there's a good one on the second shelf.
Thanks. I'll check it out.
You're welcome. Let's go together.
Okay, let's walk fast before the next class starts.
Good idea. Hi, Emma. Do you want to play soccer?
I'd love to, but I don't have my shoes.
No problem. You can play without shoes.
I'll join. Who's on our team?
It's you, me, and Jack against Lily and Alex.
That sounds fun. Let's win this game.
Yes, let's do it. Are you good at soccer?
I'm okay, I'm better at running.
That's great. You can be our fast runner.
I'll do my best.
Hey, James. What's for lunch today?
It's spaghetti with meatballs. It looks delicious.
Yum. I love spaghetti. How about you?
It's one of my favorite meals. Are you going to sit with us?
Yes, I'll sit with you and Mia.
Great. I hope we can find a table.
Don't worry, there are always some free tables.
True. Let's hurry before the lunch break ends.
Okay, let's go.
Excuse me, where can I find books on science?
The science books are on the second shelf.
Thanks. Do you know where the history books are?
They are on the far side of the room.
Oh, I see. I need to borrow one for my project.
Good luck with your project.
Thanks. I think I'll finish it soon.
That's awesome. I hope it goes well.
Thanks for your help. See you later.
Good luck.
Hi, Lily. What are you doing after school?
I'm going to the park. Do you want to come?
I'd love to, but I have to finish my homework first.
Okay, no problem. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow works. I'll finish my homework early.
Sounds good. I'll wait for you at the park.
Thanks. I'll be there after 4 p.m.
Great. See you then.
Bye, Lily. Have fun at the park.
Bye, see you. Hey, Mike. Have you finished the math homework?
Not yet. I don't understand the last problem.
I had trouble with that too. Let's figure it out together.
Great idea. Can you help me?
Of course. First, let's look at the formula again.
Okay. I see where I made the mistake now.
Good. Now let's solve it step by step.
Thanks for your help. I think I understand it now.
No problem. We're in this together.
Yes, thank you.
Did you meet the new student, Sophia?
Yes, I did. She's very nice.
I talked to her too. She's from a different city.
Really? That's interesting. Does she speak English well?
Yes, she does. She's really smart.
That's cool. I think we should help her with the school.
I agree. We can show her around.
Good idea. Let's talk to her tomorrow.
Okay, I'm sure she will like that.
Yeah, I hope she feels at home soon.
Hi, Lucy. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. It should arrive soon.
I hope it's not late today.
Me too. I don't want to be late for class.
Same here. How was your day at school?
It was good, but the math test was hard.
I agree. I hope I did well.
I'm sure you did. You're great at math.
Thanks, Lucy. You're really good at English.
Thanks. We'll help each other.
That's a great idea.
Are you ready for the PE class?
Yes, I'm excited. We're playing basketball today, right?
Yes, it's basketball. Do you like playing basketball?
I love it, but I'm not very good at shooting.
No problem. You're great at passing the ball.
Thanks. I'll try my best.
We can work together and win the game.
Yes, teamwork makes the dream work.
Exactly. Let's have fun.
What experiment are we doing today in science class?
We are testing the effects of temperature on plants.
That sounds interesting. What do we need?
We need some plants, water, and a thermometer.
Got it. I'll get the thermometer.
I'll grab the plants. We need to take notes too.
Yes, I'll write down the results.
Great. Let's start the experiment.
Okay, I'll start by measuring the temperature of the water.
Perfect. We'll see the results in a few days.